So, ayun, on the way na kami sa JB. Dadaan kami sa Tuas Link. Yan, from Singapore, magsasasakyan lang kami. Yan. Busy-busy siya, kausap niya yung anak niya. So, ayan, samahan niyo kami today.
Kita kena deported.
Deported. Are we reaching Tuas? Oh, yeah.
We are already here.
Yeah lah, we mau jam.
Oh, oh, hi. Say hi. Hi. Where are you going?
JB.
For dinner.
JB with our Chester.
Oh, Chester. Oh, Chester. Ganyan nung with this pregnant lady.
Our Kentucky for today.
Come here, you
Say
act
my
like
husband, no action only.
That's why.
I say you talking nonsense.
You don't know your boss, ah?
Never mind, reaction only.
You don't know your boss, ah?
yeah, you
This
must
one.
act blur there. You act like you know everything. Then with this face, people will ask you to get all the vehicle.
Now you suspect already. Why this one Singaporean?
Some more Singaporean, eh?
Ladies green.
Cannot.
That's our boss.
So,
So
Malaysia need maid.
mean. Very mean.
Malaysia need maid domestic helper. So
So, ganyan yung boss namin. Masyadong brutal kung magsalita. Brutal kung brutal. Narat na. Brutal kung brutal magsalita.
tang 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 tang.
We're at the link. And
Don't jam.
no jam here.
Good.
At one time, this way.
Sure. Ay.
No man. Later we check. Okay.
Napaka-bully. So bully. No? So bully. We're here already in Premium Outlet.
This touch and go also. Can.
So we're here sa Premium Outlets ng Johor Bahru. Premium Outlet, Johor Bahru. So, ito yung place. Mga branded stuff. Medyo branded siya. Ayan. O, dito mag-picture tayo. Bali. Ayan. Okay. Under Armour. So, ito ang Watson. Let's go inside. Si Buntis. Hi, Buntis! So, guys, dito 50% off. Vitamin C. Let's see. Okay. Ayan. Let's get it. Kasi mas mura dito. Kaysa sa Singapore. Sabi, I bought Watson here. See the paper bag? Bigger than you. My goodness. Wow. What you buy, sayang?
So big.
The whole Watson.
Shop the whole Watson. See what's inside?
What's inside? Taran. A little bit only. Papers. Oh my goodness.
Eh, but it's cute eh.
Natawa. Oh my goodness.
Limited edition, don't play no.
Yeah, limited edition eh. Hopefully it won't
Must
break
spend how much?
80 ringgit above. Don't worry, maybe you can get.
Oh my god.
for 3 items.
You
Oh
will
my
get also.
God.
Okay, thank you.
My goodness.
At least you're Tracy laughing.
So, thank you. The receipt if she forgot. Thank you. What did you buy? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa IKEA. So, nakapagod guys. Yung dala ko. Laki-laki. Diyos ko po. Naka-shopping na siya. For kids. Unti-unti. Dito sa JB Malaysia. Yan. 30 ringgit. Mga ganyan. 30 ringgit. Depende sa mga price. 4.5 ringgit. So guys, babalik na kami. At puntahan na namin yung boss namin. Tapos na kami mag-shopping. Saan kami mag-shopping? Kaloka. Yan. Yung ako lang. Yung kasama ko din. Laki-laki ng paper bag niya. Diba? Video natin yung reaction ng boss ko. Boss namin paparating na. Tingnan namin yung reaction niya sa binili namin. Ayun siya. Ayun, ayan yung boss namin. Let's see his reaction. Full, sir ah? Full? F-O-O-L? Full? Okay, let's go.
Why are you taking my picture?
Let's go, sir.
Why? That's all?
Let's go.
Different thing inside also lah, but we just use this bag.
Let's go, sir. Let's go.
Limited edition, okay what?
Hey, I need to top up the...
Oh, yeah.
Saya besok you get more M.
300 ah. Okay lah, not
Okay,
bad.
I buy.
300 just for grocery. Don't go and buy other things, huh?
Grocery, sir.
Ah.
Yay! 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 Legit, sir ah! Uy! Uy! Thank you, sir! Oh my God! Oh my God! Thank you!
See, I like got one video. Okay, I give you 300. You got only
Thank
1
you,
minute
sir.
to shop.
Oh.
That's why Papa say don't give here. I give here. It's not affecting you. You can just go ahead. Thanks.
Guys, maglalakad-lakad na kami dito sa Aeon. Kasama yung boss. Binigyan kami ng tigo 300 ringgit. Gutom. Oo, gutom na. Gutom na si baby. Hanap kami ng makakainan. Ay. Baby is hungry already. Baby is hungry.
And what's that?
Baby is hungry. Silang Jollibee dito, yung lagi kong kinakainan sa KL, meron din pala dito sa Johor Bahru. So, eto na guys. Kakain na tayo. Kain na tayo. Look. Look. Let's see. Let's eat, guys. Yan, may lobster para sa buntis. Prawn. Lobster again. Ayan.
The important thing is it's slow.
Yan, tapos na kaming mag-dinner. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Yan. Pabalik na rin kami ng Singapore. Sumasak yung tiyan ko, guys. Hindi lang tiyan, pati batok. Kasi yung lobster. Tapos na kaming kumain. Nabusog si baby.
What flight is that? Huh?
Yan. Uy.
This one
Live.
is Malaysia flight. Ah?
Yan, kami babalik na ng Singapore. Go back. Ayan. kami kumain. And balik na tayo. It's already 8:20 p.m. So, ayan. Samahan nyo kami. Guys, samahan nyo kami. Ayan, nandito na agad kami sa Woodlands Checkpoint.
In the
Ganang
past, we
sasakyan.
always stick with the center lane because apparently the center lane is supposed to be the
Kulay ng
fastest.
gusto.
That's what I remember lah.
If the link
So, ganito ang immigration dito, guys. Pila ka. Ang daming mga hams. Para hindi makatakbo yung mga ano.
Filipino love to give like this term super long. I don't understand.
Tapos, ayan, may hams na naman. Pupunta ka dun sa mga ganyan. Tapos doon may bibigay yung passport mo. Ayan, hindi ka na bababa. So, ayun, nakalampas na kami ng Malaysia Immigration. Papunta naman kami ngayon sa Singapore.
Nope.
Singapore.
Is this correct? Never.
Kasi lukuyan natin tinatawid ang tulay. Tulay na nagdudugtong sa Singapore. At ayan, ayan, lumabot. Woodlands. Woodlands checkpoint. Ayan, we're here. We're back. Touchdown Singapore. Tcharan! Pila ulit tayo. Ayan, nakalabas tayo na.
Yahoo!
Christian, we're back in Singapore. Hi, Tracy. You're back. Kalampas with your permit cancelled. Daming hams. Daming hams. Hindi na kami bumaba. Ito na kami Singapore. So guys, nandito na ako sa bahay at i-unbox natin ang laman ng ating pinamili. Oh my God! Laki diba? Pero ang laman lang niya ko, konti lang naman. So ayan, salamat sa pagsama sa aking video for today. Ayan, ang daming kalat. Pasensya nyo na yung kalat sa kwarto. So salamat sa pagsama sa aming travel for today. Sa aking gala. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching.